So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're trying to airdrop a file and the file you're airdropping is basically stuck on waiting. So maybe you're going through and you're trying to share out a particular file, but that file when you're airdropping is just stuck on waiting when you're sending it out. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening is because when you're going through and sharing out a file, that file itself might just be trying to, send out in an appropriate way. So sometimes you might just have to cancel it out and try it again. So try canceling out of that particular file, send. Try going back into AirDrop and try resending that file. So tap on that file, tap on that person, try sending it again. Sometimes that can very well end up fixing the problem. So it's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing. So if that's still not working, you might have to try going through and close out of that application that you were trying to share a file from. Try opening it back up again and try sharing that file up again. Sometimes that can very well end up fixing the problem too, and that's another very big thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. If that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend kind of doing here too is to try going through and to try seeing if you can, from the other device, close out of AirDrop or kind of completely turn off AirDrop by going inside of your AirDrop settings up here, turning off AirDrop, and then going back in and then turning on AirDrop again. Sometimes if you just turn it on or off, that can sometimes end up fixing the problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.